Hey everyone. I've got a long overdue Dollartree haul to share with you. If you care to see what I picked up, then stick around. Hi. I don't go to Dollartree very often these days. I've been so busy with other things. But I did stop by. I think this was a couple of weeks ago. I just haven't had the time to film this video. And I was happy to see that they had more of the interlocking desk organizers by Jot. And I like picking these up when they have them because it's a set. You get 5 pieces in here for $1.50. Because I'm in Canada, by the way, so our prices are $1.50. And excuse me. So I think it's a good deal for the price. And they had some in pink, so of course I picked that up. They brought back the storage containers. They seem to have those every back to school time. And they only had colored ones this time. They had pink, blues, and greens. So I picked up 2 of the pink ones. Unfortunately, they have any clear. Otherwise, I would have picked up several of the clear because the size is really good for storing things in my house. So yeah, got that. Here's the second one. Okay. What else I did? Oh, picked up a couple of white towels just because my towels are looking quite dingy. So I just wanted to have some extra little towels. And here's a kitty. Kitty did not come from Dollartree. This is Shadow. Say hello, Shadow. Sorry. Okay. He's being rude. Oh, of course, he wants this, my latte. Should have figured. Oh, goodness. Okay. All right. Kitty, move over. Oh, my goodness. I'm competing with a cat. Get out of the way. No. Oh, well. Excuse the kitty. As being very rude. Your patootie. These look new at my store. They're a 3-piece set of putty knives. And I thought it was a pretty good deal for $1.50. Considering I had been to the hardware store almost at the same time and had picked up a brand new one of these spatulas, about almost the same as this one, the big one, but in yellow. And I think I paid like $6 for it. And then I can get a set of 3 for $1.50. Oh, goodness. All right. This is Tubby. We call him Tubby. Hey, Shadow. He's your big boy. Yes. All right. I had some books at my store, and I picked up this one. I thought the cover was really pretty. The story seems interesting. Things past telling. Yeah. Just thought, oh. See, normal price in Canada would be $31.99. So picked it up for $1.50 at Dollartree. Yeah, not too bad. And it's by Sheila Williams. Things Past Telling, a novel. And what was the date? 2022. So, maybe it'll be a good by the pool read. Okay. I got some calendars. They had the calendars for 2025. So I snagged them because usually the calendars at my Dollar Tree don't come out till late fall, early winter. And sometimes they don't come out till 2025 at the store I have. But they had them this year, so I picked them up. And I really like to use calendars as, when they're done, I use them as collage. So I picked up this one. Enjoy the little things for 2025. And it has a small planner with it. And I thought the artwork in it was really cool. It's really like pretty birds and butterflies, and it has some positive sayings. So I got that. I also picked up, excuse me, the cat is being naughty. Okay. This one also comes with a little planner. So these are $1.50, so it's not bad. A big calendar, big 12 by 12 calendar with a little planner. And I look at this as collage fodder. So I think I get a lot for my $1.50. This one also with a little planner. And has some nice positive sayings. So what I will do is that one of these will actually go in my kitchen. And usually I get the smaller ones, a smaller cat one to put in this studio just because of the wall space I have. So, oh, and this one, all good things are wild and free, with a little planner. And that. Got this one, Blossoms and Butterflies. This one has a small calendar, so I might use that small calendar in this room. Or I'll just cut out all the butterflies, knowing me. This one has beautiful blooms, large blooms. And inspirational quotes with a smaller calendar. It says calm. So beautiful scenes. Yeah. So again, I will use, basically, I will use one in my kitchen and a smaller one in my studio. So think about it. That's like $1.50 for 2 calendars that will get used. And then after that, they are collage fodder. And the rest of these will be just that, collage fodder. So to me, that's really inexpensive. An inexpensive way to collect, backgrounds and focal points for collage work, mixed media work, and everything like that. Because when you think about it, you get at least 12 pieces of 12 by 12. Plus whatever other little bits you can get, like from the cover. And maybe even, I don't know what the planner has. I'm going to open one to see what the planner looks like. And it's super thin planner, so this is perfect I could put one of these in my purse. And so when I go to appointments and I have to write down appointments or notes, for that, it'll be a perfect little purse notebook. But yeah, it doesn't have any, that little planner does not seem to have any images in it. But you know what? It's perfect for a throw in my bag thing, to have a place to jot down anything. And yeah, so I got that. Oh, my store had a bunch of the stamp applicators, and I don't think I ever saw this at my store before. So I picked one up because I'm pretty sure I do not have this one. I know people have hauled the stamp applicator for a long, but they just never showed up at my store until now. So I finally got one to try and use with my other blocks. I like this one because it has a handle. So that might be quite handy, actually. Might be easier to work with. I'm not sure. But anyways, I got stamp applicator. It's by Forever and Time. So yeah, that's imported by Multicraft here in Canada. And oh, not a crafty item, but a very essential lemon iced tea country time to add to my water to flavor it, and it has 0 calories. That's the best part. Okay. Oh, now to go from 0 calories to multi-calories, I got these sprinkles, dessert toppers. I got this one because it's called the ice cream mix, and I thought that would be really cute to put like on ice cream sundaes and banana splits and stuff like that, because there's like little ice cream cones. So yeah, this is edible. This is not for crafting. This is for eating. It's a dessert topper, edible. They're not inclusions. They're sprinkles for ice cream and cupcakes. Oh, goodness. Oh, I picked up some seeds while I was there. They were mostly annuals. I would have liked to have found perennial. I found one perennial, but I picked up some of these annuals. And I have thrown some of these in an area in my garden, and they're growing. And yeah, I'm just and the perennials, I started to have them for next year. So that's what I've been doing. Okay, and as though I needed this, I could not resist to buy some lovely trims. Now, there was a lot more. Oh my goodness. Like I got this rickrack. There was solid rickrack. I got some like off-white. I didn't have that one. A little pink one. Love that. Got some more satiny white rickrack. These are like my go-tos in my crafting. So I got those. And I could not resist to pick up some of this orange. And this trim, this orange yellow trim. So, I know this is something I didn't have already in my stash, and I just thought they went so well together. They have a very summery vibe, you know, very, I don't know, bohemian vibe too. And this ribbon has like a little fringe on the edge. If you could see that. Isn't that cute? So, yeah, but I tried to limit myself despite buying so many. I got this. I also got this green rickrack. It has a print on it. It's really, really pretty. That, and so, oh, and this one. I got this trim. I could show you what it looks like. Yeah, see? Isn't that cute? Oops. I just thought this was really, really cute. Not sure what I'll use these for. But, yeah, got that. And then I picked up a bunch of the ecru white, off-white color trims, because really, this is probably what I use the most in my, like, journal making, embellishment making. I use this. This one looked really interesting. So that, you know, it looks vintagey, shabby chic type of thing. And this little trim. Like, how sweet is that? So yeah, to make, you know, put in our journals. I could even use these on a sewing project. Use these for making tassels, embellishments. Yeah, lots and lots of things. And that's it. That's it for my overdue Dollartree haul. And yeah, oops. So I picked up a few goodies to get my creativity on. I'm trying to make a thumbnail here. Let's see if I could get this to... Oh my God. Yeah. This here, that there, this one here, this, my spatulas. There you go. So, thanks for watching my overdue Dollartree haul. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And by the way, guys, every like that you give, every time you put something in the comments, even if it's just to say hi, that really helps the YouTube algorithm. I am an old timer on YouTube here, so YouTube tends not to push us old timers videos that much anymore. They seem to be promoting the newer YouTubers more than the veterans. So yeah, so I would appreciate any like, comment, thumbs up-y thingy. So thanks so much, and until next time, stay crafty. Bye.